In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new signature in DocuSign. First, make sure you're signed into your DocuSign account and you're on your main dashboard. This is usually the page you see right after logging in, where you can send, manage, or view your documents. If you're not there yet, open your browser, go to the DocuSign website, log in, and wait for the dashboard to load. Once you're on the dashboard, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There, you'll see your profile area. This might appear as your initials inside a circle, or as a small profile icon. Click on that profile section to open a drop-down menu with a few different account options. From that drop-down menu, look for the option that says Manage Profile and click on it. This will take you to your account settings page, where you can update things like your personal information, preferences, and of course, your signatures. On the left-hand side of this page, you'll see a vertical menu with different categories. Take a moment to look through that list and then click on the option labeled Signatures. This is where DocuSign stores all the signatures and initials associated with your account. After you click on Signatures, you'll see any existing signatures you've already created. To add a new one, look for a button that says Add Signature. It's usually positioned near the top right of that section. Go ahead and click on Add Signature to open the signature creation window. A new panel or pop-up will appear with several signature styles and options. Here, DocuSign may automatically generate a few signature designs based on your name. Take a moment to scroll through the available options and choose the signature style you like best. You may be able to switch between different fonts or layouts until you find one that feels professional and matches how you want your electronic signature to look. Once you've selected the signature you want to use, confirm that it looks correct and that the name is spelled the way you want it to appear on documents. When you're happy with your choice, click on the Create button. DocuSign will save this new signature to your account, and it will now be available whenever you need to sign a document electronically.